Alright. Oh. So this is a Peugeot 407. Of course, many of you viewing this already know it's a Peugeot 407, but this is Peugeot 407 Coupe. My Coupe is regarded as 3-door saloon. This one right here is not for, it's not someone's personal car, as in, no, it's actually meant to be sold. So it's for sale. The seller just called me and asked me to come and help him advertise the vehicle. So it has how many inches alloy wheel? Let's see, rim 17. I have 17 alloy rim, and of course the remote works. As you can see, the remote works very well. Let me check the boots. Alright, so let's see. Hold on. Damn it. So as you can see, this is the spare tire. Wow, the spare tire looks like this. It hasn't even been used at all. The jack and some other stuff. Okay, xenon light. These are the bulbs. Are you sure it's xenon or the ballast? It has a, I would actually call this a cream interior. Smell like what? Cream, sort of. Let's go in. Sorry guys, it's actually raining, so I have to be using my umbrella. Okay, so this is inside. This is the rear. Of course, the rear is not as spacious as the front since it's coupe. So this is it, and yes, it's manual, and the 6-speed manual. And those of you that knows Peugeot 407 very well will know that mostly any petrol Peugeot 407 car that has 6-speed manual gearbox is usually comes with EW12 J4 engine, and whereas this one is EW12 J4 engine. I know some of you will be wondering, oh, is it the V6 6-speed manual? No, this is EW12 J4. It has a lot of gadgets. RT3, of course, RT3 comes with GSM card slot in case you want to be using your vehicle to be making and receiving calls. You just slot in your GSM card there. It's also, the vehicle also has JBL. Let's see if you can see it very well. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is JBL, this is their logo or the emblem. Pretty much, you know. Okay, now let's switch on the ignition. Everything works. And yes, this is Tokunbo. I know what, for those who don't understand what Tokunbo means, it means foreign used, imported directly, and hasn't been registered or used on Nigeria road or by any Nigerian person. It has not been registered or being used. So this is Tokunbo. I'm just checking the car for you if you're interested, even though this is not thorough inspection. I'm just here to advertise the vehicle in case you are interested. Because the mileage is let's see, can you guys see it? Oh, you can't see it from to be far. It's 138,000 miles, not kilometers. 438,000 miles, as 138,749 miles. So I think the previous user really enjoyed this car. Okay, let me even start the camera. Comes back on. It's showing something here. Parking assistance system faulty. Probably the real one is faulty. Okay, let's check the engine bay. I really don't want to spend much time on advertising this car. I just want to be short. Okay. Oh. Okay, I will open the bonnet. I actually tried the AC and it came up, but not chilling as cold as supposed to. So, and of course, it made that whistling sound, which shows the system has low AC gas. So, if you are buying it, you need to top up gas here. So, here is the engine. As you can see, this is EW12J4 engine, 3FY, and 170 horsepower. Okay. Everything here is still intact. You can see the fan, the cooling fan has not been tampered. It's still factory connection, even though I didn't check it when I switched on the AC, whether it came up or not. It's still, wow. Battery, of course, you can't see this kind of battery in Nigeria. 75 amps, but it's obvious that it came directly from Europe. So I guess you guys can hear the sound of engine. Of course, this is the EW12 obvious sound. You know, it sounds that's the VVT. You know, it kind of makes one sound like if it's a little like a diesel engine. So, kind of, to be honest, guys, I'm not really into 407, but whenever I see 407 Coupe, I do admire and appreciate them, you know. Let's just look at the car very well. Oh, I got to put on the headlights. You can see the exhaust too. I think the engine works very, very well. From the sound and the way it emits the smoke. So yeah, you can see the headlamp. It's more like a xenon bulb. So you can't actually call it bulb. Oh, I love this lion core. That's one thing I like about the 407 Coupe. Kind of prefer, I don't know how to say that. I know a lot of people will be wondering where is this coming from, but guys, I kind of prefer EW12 manual in 407 to 407 V6 automatic. I know some will be saying, when did you start becoming an EW12 fan or choosing EW12 engine over V6? Yeah, but I would rather pick a lower power that is fun to drive than AMCs. Period. Yeah, in 607 it does better, but in 407 kinda sucks. Even the 607 V6 auto sucks, so I'll bet the 407 one is not really, I'm not into it. Okay, so you guys can see that. That's cool. The acceleration, no misfire, nothing. The engine is stable. You can touch this car, no form of vibration, any way, shape or form. Of course, if you look at this instrument panel or instrument cluster very well, take a close look at the speedometer, you will know why I'm showing you this. Now, yeah, this car is fun, everything, as in I will recommend this kind of car to any Peugeot enthusiast or somebody who wants to drive and have fun each time is behind the steering wheel. However, this vehicle is originally right-hand drive converted to left-hand drive. So yeah, it means it came in most likely from UK. Of course, Australia also use right-hand drive vehicles as well. So well, and also it could be a big turn off to a lot of people, but no. Okay, let's see. Wow, the clutch is very okay. Clutch is very okay. So it's possible the cover. Of course, like I said, this is not. I'm not here to inspect the vehicle. Because if I'm doing inspection, I'll do a lot of things, checking out the car system, you know, the entire system of the vehicle. But I'm just here to do the advert. So it's possible that the conversion was done properly, including the wiring system. Nothing was abused or botched. So far from the screen and everything I'm seeing here, yeah, it appears the wiring systems are okay without even checking them out anyway. So the reason why I'm saying I'm transparent as I can be. I don't hide things. I know a lot of people want to hide these kind of things, you know, because if you come into this car, honestly, we even know this is a right-hand drive vehicle. But being an expert on Peugeot vehicles or an expert on these brands, yeah, once I see a converted ones, I will know. Don't bother about how will I know, you know. Just know that I will know. I hope it works. So yeah, so if you want to buy, you can buy, or you can contact me. I will discuss. I will check the car thoroughly for you. When I mean inspection, to know if the conversion was properly done. But yeah, it's right-hand drive vehicle. So far, everything appears okay, you know. Wow, it's one thing I love about JBL is the sound system. Ooh la la. You know, I haven't even twisted even I've not even touched the, you know, to know it's not even on pop or rock or anything. I've not even adjusted the equalizer yet. The sound is wonderful. So yeah, this car, no, honestly, is very good. I'm not driving it, not really here to drive the vehicle, you know. But I've driven quite a number of them, and they are very fun to drive. If you are looking for a 407 that is very fun on the road to drive, this should be one of them. That's if you don't mind the right-hand drive. That was, you know, that is converted from right-hand drive to left-hand drive. I would suggest you get this car. You know, of course, you have to fill in the top up the gas when you get it. The car is cool. It's clean. Here it has a small thing here on the seat. It's faded a little, so you may have to sort it out. It's well maintained car, if you ask me. Very much. Okay. Alright. So, I mean, it starts fine and shuts down fine. So, if you're interested, I'm going to put the price on the description. You can call me and maybe let me take it for a spin. So I'll put the price tag and hopefully you'll be the one to buy it. Let me see. I think honestly guys, the clutch is very, very good, very soft. You will not feel any pressure while depressing the clutch pedal. Honestly guys, if you don't mind that it's converted from right hand drive to left hand drive, come and pick this vehicle. What's the time? Oh, 15 minutes. I think it's too long for me to do advert for. So like I said, the price will be in the description. If you're interested, you call me, I'll bring you to the vehicle, check. I'm not the seller, so I can only tell you the price, and then if you are in mind, if you want to negotiate, if the seller is willing to negotiate, I can connect two of you, you do the negotiation. If you want me to now thoroughly inspect the vehicle to know if it's safe for you to buy, yeah, we'll discuss that. I'll do it for you. I'll guide you on things you need to do for preventive maintenance work and all that. That's all. So guys, honestly, probably let me take this car for a spin, but I'm not going to record it because I love fun cars, and what I'm going to do with this car is not something I want to record. So talk to you guys soon.